Guys, just want to give you a little update on my triple tree mod. So what I got is, you can see I got the pressed ends now. I cut them down and they're pressed in. So all I got left now is to tap them and drill them out to, I think it's 8mm, what the steering bolt is. And to show you what I've done is, these triple trees come with the, I think, 1-inch shank, and they was like this right here. So, and this was open, so it didn't, so that would slide down on top of it like that. So what I done is I took this, and you can see where I cut it off, and there's where it pressed in. I pressed it out in my press, cut it to the size so it fit. Same goes here. So now what I'll do is just drill them out in the middle on the drill press, and they should be ready to load up. That's a little quick and easy way that I figured out how to do it without having to stress out too much. Hope y'all guys like that little tech tip. Don't forget to subscribe so I can get that count up. We'll get to it on the next one.